guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to enable Meta AI in WhatsApp Business. So you can actually use Meta Business to improve your business, to help you with some answers, and yeah, how to run your business in a very smooth way. So in order to enable your business WhatsApp, because when you download it you might not find it there, so I'm going to help you and walk you through on how to actually enable that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to click on the business WhatsApp app. Right here you can see this is my business WhatsApp app. So the first thing you have to do, you have to click right here, these three dots above your screen, and yeah, so the next thing you have to do, you click on settings and you scroll down. You see the help right here. You click right there and you are going to click on help center. So it's going to take a while to load up. Yeah, so right here you are going to click on contact us. Yeah, start a chat. So you are going to be given an opportunity to actually chat with them directly. So what you need to do, you have to tell them my Meta, you will see my this Meta AI not showing on my WhatsApp business. So it's going to reply you. So it's going to take a little while, so you have to go back to the help center, so your answer will be responded right there. So the next step you have to do, you have to go update your app. Click on your Play Store like this and you search for WhatsApp business right here, and you have to update it. Once you update it, you're going to see your Meta AI, but actually it's not going to pop up because WhatsApp Business have not actually introduced Meta AI on their business app. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.